This is day 5 in our English packet. As always, you can always pause a video and then press play when you're ready, or you can back it up and watch parts again. Materials needed. You'll need a quiet place to work. You'll need your English packet with day number 5. You'll need some crayons and a pencil. Alrighty, so our first page for day number 5 is some power words, and our power word we are working on today is who. Alright, so let's start by writing our name. And then the first part here says trace and write. And as always, we're going to write each letter and say the letter name while we're writing, and then say the whole word when you're done. So, W-H-O, who? W-H-O, who? W-H-O, who? W-H-O, who? Then our next section, we're going to color. W-H-O, who? Now it's time to fill in the missing letters. So this one is blank, H-O. W. W-H-O. O. Whoop. Our next one is W blank O. H and W blank blank. Now we have to write 2 letters. H-O. Who? Now we're going to spell it. We're going to write it correctly in our boxes. W-H-O. Nice work. Okay, so now the next part is find and circle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the power words with you, and then you're going to circle all of the who. Okay, here we go. So our first one here is why, how, to, who, at, who, that, how, that, why, what, who, at, who, see. So go ahead and circle all of the times you see the word who. Next, we're going to read and find the word who in the sentences. Let's read the first one together. Who are you? Who sits there? You're going to circle the word who. Now you're going to write your own sentence using the word who. So go ahead, pause your video, and write your sentence. Okay, our next worksheet has the power word why. Another question word. So again, we're going to begin by writing our names. Miss Nicole. Okay. I don't think I need to go over all of the parts with you on this one, but I'll just review the directions and then I'll help read the power words at the bottom. So in this first section, you're going to trace and then write. This section you're going to color in all the letters. We're going to fill in the missing letters here. We're going to spell it inside of our boxes. So once you're done with all of that, you can pause your video when you're done with all of that. We'll read all of these power words together. Okay. So, find and circle. So let's read the power words together. Who? Remember, we're looking for why this time. To. Why. Who. At. Why. What. How. That. Why. You. At. Why. So go ahead and circle all of the times you see the word why. All right, let's read our questions over here. So we are going to read and find the word why and then circle it. Let's see. Why is he jumping? Why is she sad? Now you're going to write your own sentence using the word why. Go ahead, you can pause your video. All right, here's some math work for us today. So you are going to do a number bond dash. So your goal here is to complete all of these number bonds. And for this lesson, they are all going to 5. So the answer is 5 on all of these number bonds. So we have to figure out the missing part. I'm going to do just the first one with you, and then you're going to complete the rest. Okay? So the first one has 4. All right. So what you can do for this is, if you really need to, you can use your blocks that you have at home. Or you can use some crayons, anything that can help you count. But I want you to try to do it without using any counting tools, okay? If you really need to, you can, but I want you to try and do it all by yourself, okay? You can also use your fingers, but I want you to try and do it without using anything. So let's see. We're going to start at 4. Ooh. We're going to start at 4, and we need to get to 5. So let's see. 4, 5. Oh, that's only one more. Okay, so now go ahead. You can finish all of these problems. Then when you're done, please have your grown-up take a picture of all of your work today, upload it on Portfolio so I can grade it. Keep going, guys. You're doing great.